Good evening. Thank you for calling Star Majestic Hotel. This is Christine speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, good evening. Can I reserve a room?
May I know the date of your arrival, ma'am?
It will be on April 20.
For how many nights would you be staying at Star Majestic Hotel?
2 nights will be good.
Okay, for how many people, ma'am?
For one only, please.
Thank you, ma'am. For a while, let me check the room availability for those dates.
Okay.
I'm happy to inform you that we have the single room that is good for one person. It comes with a single bed, telephone, fully air-conditioned, Wi-Fi, hot and cold shower and toiletries. That has a total cost of 4,500 pesos per night. Also, we have the standard room that is good for one person. It comes with a single bed, telephone, fully air-conditioned, Wi-Fi, minibar, cabinet, hot and cold shower and toiletries. That has a total cost of 7,500 pesos. Is that okay with you, ma'am?
Yes, that's okay. I think the second one sounds great.
Also, all of our rooms comes with a complimentary classic Filipino style breakfast which starts at 7 a.m. to 9 a.m.
Okay.
Now, I'll be gathering information to secure a reservation. Is that okay?
Yes, of course.
May I know your name, ma'am?
My name is Cristina Jean de la Cruz.
Thank you. Let me confirm the spelling of your name, ma'am. C for Charlie, R for Romeo, I for India, S for Sierra, T for Tango, I for India, N for November, A for Alpha, J for Juliet, E for Echo, A for Alpha, N for November, D for Delta, E for Echo, L for Lima, A for Alpha, C for Charlie, R for Romeo, U for Uniform, and Z for Zulu. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's correct.
May I have your complete address, ma'am?
Sure. I'm from Manila, Philippines.
Okay, now I'll be needing your contact number.
My contact number is 093174-17717.
Okay, now I'll be needing your email address.
My Gmail is CristinaJeanDeLaCruz@gmail.com.
So, do you have any special request, ma'am?
None for now.
Thank you, ma'am. Your total bill would be 15,000 pesos. As per our company policy, we will charge 50% of your total bills now to secure a reservation, and the remaining balance will be paid upon your arrival. Would you like to guarantee your reservation, ma'am?
Yes, please.
That's great. To guarantee your reservation, we require a credit card authorization over the phone. I will now be asking for your credit card information, if that's okay.
Yes, it's okay.
May I ask the type of card and the name of the cardholder, please?
My type of card is MasterCard, and the name of the cardholder is under my name. It's Cristina Jean de la Cruz.
Thank you, ma'am. Please read out loud the card account number together with its expiration date.
Okay, my account number is 123456789876654. The expiration date will be on June 2026.
Okay, ma'am. Let me just repeat all of your information to secure a reservation. The credit card holder is Miss Cristina Jean de la Cruz. The card number is 123456789876654. And the expiration date is on June 2026. The type of card is MasterCard. You've booked a standard room for 2 nights, checking in on April 20 to April 22 for 1 pax. Your name is Miss Cristina Jean de la Cruz from Manila, Philippines, and your contact number is 0931-741-7717. And your email address is christinajin@gmail.com. Is all the details correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, Miss Christina, your reservation has been made. Your confirmation number is 121. You'll receive an email shortly with all the details.
Okay, that's great.
May I remind you that our check-in is at 10 o'clock. The advice to check in is not later than 6 p.m. Otherwise, the hotel reserves the right to give the room to waitlisted clients. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for choosing Star Majestic Hotel. See you soon and have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much and see you soon also.
A wonderful day, Mom. Welcome to Star Majestic Hotel. I'm Christy. How may I help you today?
Hello, good morning. I have a reservation here.
Okay, Mom, please have a seat.
Thank you.
Okay, Mom, for a while, let me check our system for your information. May I have your full name?
Christina Jin de la Cruz.
Christina Jean de la Cruz. Do you have your booking information, Miss Christina?
Yes,
Can I help you? For
here.
Okay, Miss Christina, you have reservations starting today, April 20 until April 22. You reserve a standard room that is good for one person. It comes with a single bed, telephone, fully air-conditioned, Wi-Fi, minibar, and a cabinet, and also a hot and cold shower and toiletries. And you will be staying here for 2 nights, and you already paid us for 7,500 via MasterCard, and you still have a balance for 7,500 pesos. Is that correct, Miss Christina?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, ma'am. And how will the bill be settled?
Via MasterCard too?
Okay. May I request for your valid IDs?
Yes, sure. Here?
Okay, Miss Christina. While I'm preparing your receipt, kindly sign this registration and also double check all the information written to you.
Okay, sure. Here?
Thank you, Miss Christina. Here is your receipt and here is your valid ID. This is your key card and this is your guest card. Your room is located on the second floor on the left side of this building. Our complimentary breakfast is available from 7 a.m. until 9 a.m. And our restaurant is located on the third floor. Just show the guest card when you are using our facilities. Is there anything I can do for you, Miss Christina?
None for now. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thank you for staying with us and see you around, Miss Christina.
Thank you.
Thank you.